But anyways, how do you manage to be a celebrity and a normal person at the same time?
I don't know, you just learn how to balance everything. Yeah, you learn how to balance being in the limelight and how to balance when you should. It's literally the same thing. Kachafuka part of me. Oshegera, you're a celebrity. Yes, needs kutambula on the streets normally. Nayo mtaja kuitagame, oh my God, Gloria, you know? And you're supposed to respond to them simply because, okay, now I'm in normal mode. I'm no longer a celebrity, you know? That will never move away from me. So you just need to know how to balance everything.
Okay, worst moment with the fun?
Worst moment with a fan.
Yes,
Let me see. Worst moment with a fan. Oh yeah, I think it's when we were backstage and I was moving off stage and there were so many people and someone was really trying to pull off my jewelry. Not because maybe they don't like me, but because there's something. Not worst really, but more like, really? Did you have to do that? Yeah. Like abantu oba bodyguards ngabachanga ko bus oba sindika of which name is Sibiagara. I really wish we could just be all together, though people can get a bit crazy, you know, trying to cook scambula, all those things, but yeah, maybe that.
And then best moment with the fun? Your ever best moment?
My best moment, I won't say one fan, I'll say team Baby Gloria. Oh my God, those people are really, really lovely. All the moments they make for me, I really appreciate. Yeah.
Tukulaba ngokyusiza, you've rebranded from Baby Gloria now that you're 19, getting to 20, 21, 20, up to those years. Yeah. Do we see you rebranding from Baby Gloria to Gloria, the brand?
Really, Baby Gloria is my brand. Yeah. You wouldn't know Baby Gloria. You wouldn't know Gloria if you didn't know Baby Gloria. Yeah. So I can't waste a brand that I've been building since childhood just because it has baby to it. Now it's like a nickname. It's not even Baby Gloria. It's more like Baby Gloria. So I don't think so. I really don't think so.
Do you ever feel like Baby Gloria she could take a once as now that you're getting into those age,
Yeah.
that age, not feeling like I'm saying Baby Gloria, but I'm old anyway.
No, not at all. Remember, it's like calling you a nickname since you're really young, and by now, how they used to it doesn't even ring to you, you know, Baby Gloria. Because now it's more like Baby Gloria. It sounds normal to me. Yeah.
Just as we come to the end of this, what can you do without? Me in my daily, I can't do without this.
I can't do without God.
Sorry, I don't want to speed. I know you can't do without God. Normally, let's try to be normal with me and our fans.
Let's try to be normal. So not doing it without God is not normal.
No. because everyone can't do without God. You know that.
Okay. I can't do without food.
Hey.
Though when I'm fasting, I can do without it. But I can't do without food when I'm ready to eat food. Then I'll be hungry, like, oh my God, I'm hungry. I can't do without food.
So the best thing is food. Not
really, but I'm thinking about something practical. I really can't do without food. I can't do without music.
Okay.
I can't do without trying to achieve a goal every day. I feel very useless. I feel very purposeless in a day. And I've not achieved anything. Yeah.
Okay, just so many things have been happening in the industry about transformation and getting into other brands. Or often these influencing gigs. For example, company Nekuita, you've been ambassador for Movit, right? You're an ambassador for all these big brands. First of
all, wagame to be normal, but Katonda, for real. There are many people that have worked so hard for all these things and they do not have these things. Not because they don't have the qualifications, but I don't know, Katonda inengeja kuteka ko favor. Abantu nebalibera bala abantu are going to make a difference by being a part of their brands and all that. And then also, people should mind about their branding. Yeah, their branding on social media. There's no brand that wants to associate with themselves with someone that is going to compromise or sabotage their brand.
Manyi mu Luganda. So kuteka mko ku Luganda nga told.
Manyi. Kale abantu brands esinga tezaagala okubeera nnyo n'abantu nga balina engeri bassa wansi brand zaabwe okitegeera kati olina okuba nga branding, you do nice shoots, you make sure that you look good. So if someone spots you n'akulaba agamba this one will be good what you're representing. Even work on your speech, work on how you speak, because usually they want someone that is going to be able to deliver messages to their audience. So yeah, that's yeah.
So Kati, now that won't your age affect your influencing with other brands? For example, won't it affect your age now that you're growing up?
Of course you grow with your brand. Yeah. Or now compete at 15 right now, so we'll compete like hotels, different things. Now I have a bigger audience, or I have a more youthful audience that they would want for their own thing. Even when you're young, oh, you work good for this human rights thing, for our NGO thing, for so such things. You start growing with your brand, you start elevating with your brand. They don't need to be cooperating by your age. Yeah.
So what are those most 5 things they say about you, your friends, your family, and stuff like that?
They say I'm weird, they say I'm crazy, they say I'm funny, they say I'm loud, and they say that I love good.
Okay, we see most celebrity kids get so much protected by their parents.
Yeah.
So katsokombule mugoye ekyo gwe ne maama wo mukidirinze mutya nakyo kuba katukula lero my first time finding you without your mother. So ojitokola muno so many celebrity kids balaba show yange and they're like me bazadde afa batubeera mu nnyo.
Yes.
Yes.
Munange no wanga mbeera mu nnyo, so don't be complaining and thinking this is the first time or I'm always like this. Even my mom is and I don't even know where she's going to, but I think again slowly again I mean, okay, sometimes she has to do some things alone, she has to be independent, but still, she's still very protective.
How do you deal with fear in your life?
Fear? Pray.
Only that.
Yeah, pray. Talk to God. And then also maybe if it's anxiety, there's a quote that I read, there's no amount of guilt that will change the past, and there's no amount of anxiety that is going to change the future. So really, because really you can't change anything. Yeah.
As we come to end of this, I think we should cool it a little bit down so that you can maybe give advice to young people out there that want to be with you. Sorry, they want to be like you one day, like in life. Yes. What do you have to tell them? Any inspiration, like where you draw your inspiration from and stuff like that?
Okay. For everyone there, you don't have to be like me. Everyone there was made for something. You are made for something big, you're made for something amazing. All you have to do is start working on your craft, making yourself better, make it, or I'll never become this. You can become anything according to the effort that you're putting in. Whatever thing that you're doing, things do not come out of the blue, they don't come up overnight, But when you work on your craft, you're going to make it and believe in God and put everything in prayer. Yeah.
Okay, now your hobbies. Now we're going to into the quick fire. What I ask is what you reply. Your hobbies.
Music, laughing, eating.
Seems like you like eating a lot.
I love food. I love good food.
Your best dish?
I really don't have a best dish.
You can literally eat anything.
I can eat all good food.
What is the strangest food you've ever tried?
Strangest food? Most seafood is strange. Yeah. Yeah.
Crocodile.
But I'm almost eating it.
So, how do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time mostly writing down ideas and trying to achieve them.
Best color?
Black.
Worst fear?
Death.
Anyways, I think, do you want to say anything before I let you go?
No, there's a good.
But what do you have bagamba? Do you have your number bagamba Gloria tumukwasaganya tutya?
Social media at Baby Gloria Music, Instagram budi wamu, it's Baby Gloria Music. For business, go to gloshmolds@gmail.com. emails.
Anyways, my name is the King himself, KingSmith. Thank you so much for watching. I've been chilling with Gloria in our beautiful gardens. Thank you so much for watching. And then my producer, Kim Dance, thank you so much. Bye-bye.